Morning guys, this is Tony with Rolling Ragu. We were approached by a company. This is our first product review here on the channel. AceVolt out of Carson City, Nevada. We were really flattered that they approached us and we were willing to do this because it's a product that we have a pretty fair deal of experience in electric needs when you're camping or jeeping or in the outdoors. And so we felt like we were suited to give a fair review on the product. Today's video is going to be just an unboxing, but over the next few weeks we are going to produce a few more videos. I'm going to use this thing for a couple of weeks, maybe as long as a month or so, and put it through its paces, come back to you and show you how we used it and what we thought of it. We're going to give you an honest review here. We're not interested in becoming a channel that reviews a bunch of products, but we felt suited for this one. And so we have no motivation to make AceVolt happy. Our motivation here is to help you get something that might help you. I don't know if I'm going to follow the protocol of unboxing channels, but I'll do my best. It came packaged real well. It came to us fast once we got the notice. The warehouse is in Ontario, California, and it got to us within a few days. Box is marked top side, so that's what we're opening. This product is the CamPower700, which is a 700 watt lithium powered generator. That means it has the battery in it. It has an inverter in it that will give us 110 power, and it also has 12 volt power supplied. So let's see what's in the box. It's in here real tight, and the box looks nice. Wow, I'll be honest, I hadn't heard of AceVolt before they approached us, but I got online looking. They've been producing products for since 2013, so they're not new to the game, but they're new to me. They might be new to you, and certainly this whole idea of battery powered generators is sort of a new idea. Wow, the packaging. You know, my first thought, I wasn't expecting a real premium product. This is priced. I want to say I remember seeing it at what, $6.99. So its price point is a bit lower than some other options, and so I didn't expect a premium product. But the box itself is almost, it really is on the lines with products that I've gotten from, say, DJI or even Apple. So let's turn this around. I'm never good at these boxes. There we go. Explore the world, recharge your soul. So the first things I'm seeing here are, and I'm going to get this big box out of our way, but we have an owner's manual. I'll lay that there. We have a box, I'm assuming has a few accessories. And boy, the packaging is really nice. The good molded foam. This thing wasn't going to get damaged in shipping. And now I can see the product, so let me get it out of here for us. If I can, let's see if it's a one-handed lift. Oh, well, one-handed for me. If you have any decent strength, it's fairly, I think it weighed 22 pounds is what the spec sheet said. Get this plastic off. My initial impressions, this is not meant to be a product review, it's an opening, right? But I'm continuing to be impressed. The quality, the plastics feel good. I'm feeling soft touch rubber on the handle underneath. At 22 pounds, you see how I'm handling it. I couldn't hold it like that for long, but it's certainly not an overweight thing. It's got the soft touch rubber on the bottom, so it's not going to slip. Some ventilation on the back side. When I first saw the design in pictures, wasn't sure if I liked the way this is angled, because I like things to be sort of more cube shaped, then you can pack a little bit better, especially we take this along in the Jeep with us. It'd be nice to maybe be able to have put something over it. I think you might still be able to do that, but what I do like about this angle is that I'm not going to have to lean down to the ground to read all the readings. That's nice. As far as a quick rundown on features, I'm already seeing something I didn't expect, but let me see what we have in the front, and I'll get back to that. We have an AC power button, a quick display, like a 1 second light. Okay, that turned this light on. It's showing me the display. I'll have to read the manual it comes with to know exactly what I'm doing, but right now it's got a 60% charge on it, so it shipped with 60%. I think that's typical on lithium batteries. They naturally, the battery management system in here is going to hold the battery at about 60%. Lithium batteries don't like to be stored at 100%. And they'll hold that 60% for a long time. Let's see, there's an AC power button. Probably have to use that to get to there's 4 ACs. And 2 of them have openings to allow for a 3-prong, which is nice. DC and USB. So it looks like I have power buttons to give me access, and I'm turning them off now, to give me access to these so they're not hot unless I turn them on. Down here, nice rubber covers, and the quality, again, that this is really feeling nice. This is an input from AC, so I'm going to assume that that's an input that I can charge to. We have another charging option here. Not sure what that fitting is. I'm not familiar with it. Then you have your typical 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. I'm picturing us using this for, we have a 12-volt fan. We have a 12-volt ice chest that we use in both the motorhome and in the Jeep. Those are my top 2 uses. And we're a family of 4. And if you've seen the channel, we travel in our RVs. We've had various over the years, from small travel trailers, 15-foot travel trailer in our first season. We moved up to a 25-foot travel trailer. And now we're in a Class A motorhome, 35 feet. So we've had various RVs. We have made about 7 or 8 cross-country trips of about 2 months in length each time. So we know electrical needs. Got 2 kids that are using their switches, and we've all got phones, and I've got the MacBook, and we got camera gear that we carry, and the drone, and all of those are items that this thing can be beneficial for. So I'm going to use it with all of those. Well, it must have a flash mode. Here I am doing things that I need to read the manual. So that's all our outputs. Here's the little special thing that I was surprised to see, and I hope you can see it. Wireless charging for a phone. You can lay it here and get wireless charging. I've never used that before, but I'm going to test it out with this. We have, oh, that's nice. The logo here lights up. It's kind of nice to use it without having read the manual, because you can see how intuitive something is. As far as I can tell, these side panels don't open, but I'm sure. Let's see about the quality of the manual. There's a warranty policy, which I saw on their website. They have a 30-day return policy on it. So from what I'm seeing, at least in the first few minutes, I would, if I was in the market for something like this, I would definitely give it a shot with the 30-day return policy. So I don't have a big camera crew. You're just going to see it this way, but the manual looks nicely laid out. It tells us what's in the box. I need to open up that other box to see the accessories with it. Gives you the specifications, and here it says 672 watt hours, and I did the math. That works out to about 56 amp hours. So that's you know, we paid $1,000 for a Battle-Born battery of 100 amp hours. So this seems to be priced pretty well for all you're getting with 56 amp hours. Can be recharged 2,500 times, which is basically a lifetime. I don't think anyone will ever do that. Tells us about your outputs and inputs. Oh, look how nicely this is done. The graphics are real clear. I can definitely see, find out what everything is, how to use the display. Really done nicely. Let me put that aside, and we're going to see what's inside this accessory box. All right, we have, oh, I wasn't expecting this either. This is something that we've had to buy extra aside from the product, and it's nice that they include this. So we have 12 volt to the charging plug, so I think we can charge from a vehicle cigarette lighter. We have an AC charging cord, plug into your wall and charge it. And then we have this is solar. Okay, so it needs a power block to go to the plug in your house. And this is it's a little plasticky, but it's not as maybe it's a different plastic than the product itself. I'm not sure, but it's designed real well. I like it. That's all that's in that box. So there you go, the AceVolt CamPower700. They make other models I saw. They have up to a 2000. You know, that's something I'll be curious to see how the 700 watt model fits our needs. It'll run the things I mentioned earlier. Some things it will not run that I may have wanted to, particularly would be a coffee pot. And you need 1500 watts for the coffee pot. So I don't think this will help us with that, but the 2000 watt model would. And there you have it. Go check out their website. I'm really impressed here for just an initial impression. And we'll come back to you soon after having used it in some of these various ways, and we'll let you know how it worked for us. Have a good day.